Okay, we have already configured two of the links, and now we are configuring the third one. We are going to assign IP address at this router. First, we will write interface SE 3/0. Then we will use the keyword IP address 14.0.0.2 255.0.0.0. We will assign clock rate at this interface. Clock rate will be 64,000, and then finally no shut. Now we will move to router 2, and first we will access the interface SE 3/0, IP address 14.0.0.1 and subnet mask 255.0.0.0. And finally we will use no shut, and now you can see the link is up and running. Both the lights are green. Similarly, we will configure the next link between router 2 and router 5. The IP address we are going to use here is that of 15's network. So first we will access the interface SE 6/0, IP address 15.0.0.2, and then the subnet mask. Clock rate will be 64,000, and finally no shut. Similarly, we will configure router 3. We will assign IP address over here. First we'll use the keyword enabled and config T. We will access the interface 2/0, and now I'm assigning IP address over here. Last but not the least, the final link with the router, and IP is 192.168.15.1 at the router and .2 at the system. So we will configure these ports as well. This time the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. We'll assign the IP to the system of the same network. Now the last link between router 0 and the system. This is 192.10.10.0's network, and we'll assign .1 at the router end and .2 at the system end. So now I am assigning the IP addresses to the port. So here you have seen how we can assign IP addresses to each port of the router, and in the next video we'll talk about routing information protocol and how to configure it on routers.